Welcome to our tour of the Blast One heavy-duty robotic blast room. This booth, located at the Blast One headquarters in Columbus, Ohio, is designed as a single-entry setup with all equipment strategically positioned to one side. Notably, the exhaust plenums are placed at the rear, distinguishing it from typical flow-through designs, which feature exhaust plenums on the sides. For demonstration purposes, we've added a gantry-mounted Blastman B20 robot to showcase how robotic technology could be integrated. This robot can navigate the entire blast room in multiple directions: longitudinal, vertical, and horizontal, with up to 8 axes of movement, each tailored for specific applications. The setup is customized with a variety of telescopic and joint boom configurations for a perfect fit. The booth includes our oscillating conveyor technology, offering a simple yet effective alternative to traditional screw auger systems. This design facilitates easier maintenance and smoother operation by allowing abrasives to move along the tray to the bucket elevator. From there, abrasives are elevated by the bucket elevator to the air wash system, where dust and fine particles are removed, ensuring only the cleanest abrasives are reused. Dust generated during the blasting process is efficiently captured by our Blast One dust collector, specifically engineered for the blasting industry to enhance dust control and operational safety. The collected dust accumulates on vertical cartridges, which are periodically cleaned through an automatic pulsing system to maintain optimal performance and efficiency. At Blast One, we combine extensive industry expertise with innovative technology to deliver solutions that enhance productivity and performance. We invite you to visit us at our headquarters in Columbus, Ohio to see this booth in action and explore the possibilities for your operations.